everyone, and welcome back to The Game Changer on our YouTube channel. It's really truly a privilege to be interviewing people from our community who have got some amazing results and who are here on this channel to not only make a change in their lives but to inspire you to a point where you make a change in your life, and then you in turn create that ripple effect and you go and inspire someone else. And today I have somebody really special. Her name is Shailaja Gogineni, and she's from Hyderabad. So welcome Shailaja on this channel where I'm going to be talking to you, and I want you to inspire other people of our community, not only of our community, but in our country, to help them. So welcome to the channel, and thank you so much for finding the time and coming here.
Yes, good morning. Thank you.
Are you excited, Shailaja?
So much, ma'am. So much. Always. To speak with you, I'm always excited.
So since how long have you known me?
Many years, ma'am. I can't say and can't relate a single news about you or single anything related to you. I used to watch it and I was to read it many times. From the point when you did the Guinness Book record, and when I heard that you were training Chandrababu Naidu, Bhubaneswari Devi. That time, like it is Lakshman, I used to hear all the news about that. From that time, I'm following you, ma'am.
And you have, from what I remember, you telling me, you've always been into fitness. So you've always got the knowledge to do this on your own.
Ma'am, that's different. Earlier, I have knowledge. Fitness means my mindset is like that. Only exercise and portion control. Yes. I learned beyond that. There is so much to learn, ma'am. That is the reason. That is the thing I want to say to you.
And when did you join the community, the Dinas Fitness Club?
In the month of April, ma'am.
In the month of April. So you joined the Weight Loss Extreme Blueprint.
Yes, ma'am.
Silver membership, and then you upgraded to the gold membership. When did you upgrade to the gold membership?
It's I think it's month of June, ma'am. I upgraded to gold membership. Yeah.
So what was your main reason for you to join the Dinas Fitness Hub, the community?
Ma'am, there are two things. Like actually, initially I joined the Dinas Fitness Hub. One is you, ma'am, because I'm a great fan of you from many years. I just love to see you and hear you also. That's the most important reason. Second thing is, I am a person who used to work or exercise minimum 5 days a week. For the past 10 years, I used to go gym and I work out myself, whatever exercise, no. But this COVID demotivated me a lot, ma'am. Somehow, I don't know, I was that motivation was not there with me. I couldn't work out. I was feeling so helpless, like frankly speaking. That's the reason I joined Dinas Fitness, ma'am.
So the main reason you joined was because your motivation levels were coming down.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is different thing that you experienced to be able to up your motivation levels again after joining?
The lot, ma'am. Here is you motivated me a lot, and our hub, ma'am. I've seen a lot of like-minded people who encourage each other throughout the thing. Like, you see, someone is suffering with some issue, we have that will be sorted out within minutes or a day, like that. That motivation I got from you and our hub a lot, ma'am. That helped me a lot regaining my confidence levels and get back that motivation, ma'am.
And so it's really safe to say that it's not just about the workouts, it's just not about the diet for sure. It's about a mastermind group of like-minded people who uplift you when you really feel down. So I want each and every one of you out there watching this video to understand that weight loss, health, wellness is beyond exercise and diet. So I want each and every one of you to stop running after exercise and diet and understand and get inspired by Shailaja's story, where she actually is focusing on a group of people who are on the same journey as hers. So Shailaja, did you really need to lose weight when you joined, and how much weight did you lose?
Actually, ma'am, I used to maintain 63. I was 93 10 years back. Under a discipline, I used to be very obese. I couldn't sit and stand also. That much obese I was. When I joined Dinas Fitness, ma'am, I was 64.5. I was a bit gained weight. and I'll bring back that to 60, ma'am. 4.5. I'm maintaining it actually.
Wow. And what's your height?
5'3", ma'am.
Wow.
5 feet 3 inches.
Wow. That's why you look absolutely super skinny.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
What about health?
Health. There are a lot of health issues I faced, ma'am, actually. I was undergone a surgery for uterus for malignancy, and I went to some brain surgery through some trigeminal neuralgia problem. I used many steroids for that and all. But after facing all those problems, I understood there is something which helped me. So I was into exercise and this mindful healthy eating and all.
So all that was already sorted out and cured before you came to Dinas Fitness?
Those two issues are started, ma'am. Started out, ma'am, before coming. There are a lot other are sorted out after coming here, which are most important in my life, which I am needed badly in my life. I learned many things here.
Would you say?
Like for example. For example, though I eat mindfully, there is something is lacking in my nutrition part in my food, ma'am. Actually, I used to feel, I am doing mindful eating. I am great, not great and all. But after hearing our mentoring sessions, ma'am, truly and frankly, I learned about how important eating, having nutrients in our food is. I corrected myself, ma'am. I included everything in.
And did that make you feel more energetic?
Yes, ma'am. Exactly, more energetic. I was feeling good compared to earlier. And second thing I can say is, ma'am, though I used to work earlier 2 to 2.5 hours in gym, ma'am. Sometimes 2.5 hours also I used to work out. But after coming home, I used to be sedentary. Like I was not moving much throughout the day. That I corrected. Now I am active throughout the day. These two things change. I made changes in my life, ma'am. Two things, and one more thing is there. I'll tell you.
Yeah. No, you don't have to mention everything. But you don't have to mention everything because some things are very private. And as long as you got the results, and how about mind programming? Do you feel that your mind?
Yeah. Exactly, ma'am. This is the most important thing. Has an impact in my life. It's a change in my life. What change in my life? Frankly speaking, I'm truly thankful to you for this. How impact is like. Though I joined in June in Gold membership, I used to hear all our mental sessions, and it used to connect me so badly, and like I used to cry as I used to bring all my emotions out. But still, I'm not ready. I don't know. Like everything fall in time. It has own time. Generally, people will say, ma'am. In the month of August, I got my breakthrough, ma'am. I lead a very stressful life, but now I learned how to deal with that stress. Actually, to be frank, and that helped me a lot. That's the mind programming had a great impact. And whenever I used to feel sad and stressed out, ma'am, I used to sit for hours together, not moving. I was thinking like that only. But our mental systems moved me like, now I don't feel like to sit. I don't stress much, to be frank, I can say. I don't, earlier I used to have so much of free time because I used to sit, that brain chattering that used to dominate me a lot, which made me very dull and sad and all. But this mind programming, I got a breakthrough, ma'am. Now I don't find much free time also, frankly.
Very good.
I stopped expecting. That helped me a lot.
Were you at any point depressed in your life?
Many times, almost for many years.
And how are you feeling today?
Much better, ma'am. Much better. I don't say 100% I was out of it, but if I have to rate it, I was somewhere in minus to 62 to 70% came up.
Fantastic. So you must be, as a person, feeling really whole and complete.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah.
So this is a long journey, and I want you to know that me and the community are always going to be there with you. So you're never going to be alone. And you have understood the power of proximity, which means that when you show up to the mastermind and the mentoring sessions, that's when
Yes,
you're actually getting the results.
exactly, ma'am. Our hub and our mentoring sessions both helped me a lot, ma'am. Actually, there is a lot of difference in my thinking ability, capabilities. I changed myself completely. Earlier, I don't know about mind programming, ma'am. Really, I don't have any idea about my. Only thing my level of knowledge is okay, exercise and mindful eating, diet. That's it. Yeah, I never thought above this something else will also be there to help in everything, in weight control and to achieve or to reduce stress levels. What not, ma'am? I got everything. Coach, guide, mentor in you, everything.
Thank you. So Shailaja, what is the message that you would like to give our viewers for making a change? I mean, your 100% focus, you had already lost a lot of weight. So your breakthroughs that you have got are more related to the mind, more related to stress, and more related to depression.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what kind of advice would you give our viewers?
Yeah, I would like to tell me health is wealth. Other than that, even we have so much money also it's waste, ma'am. We don't have health like. I am a true example of that actually. So better instead of running around, roaming around hospitals and paying hospital bills, invest in our health. That is the main thing. You get everything in our life. And madam, one more thing I forgot to mention you. What I learned is before joining Hub, though I am in weight loss for the past 10 years, I used to think rice is my enemy actually. I never used to eat rice. Occasionally, once in a blue moon, once in a year like that. I have a myth like, if I eat rice, I'll put on weight. But one first mentoring session, I heard that whatever your first time you eat culturally, you stick to it. That will be sustainable. Then I stopped running behind words, that and all, whatever I tried and all. I eat rice every day, though I'm reducing my weight. What message is, yes, invest in fitness and health than running around hospitals. That is a major thing you can, and believe in your coach or mentor. That completely you can have trust in our coach and mentor. That will fill you out of everything.
Yes. Thank you so much. So Shailaja has got an amazing story, and I want each and every one of you to be inspired and understand that trust the coach and the mentor is very important. Believe in yourself, believe in your goals, and once you take the leap of faith of making any change in your life, just stick on there and go out there and make a change. And for those of you who are looking for some more mentorship like this, there is a link in the comments, in the description below. Go click on the link and understand and get to know us in a better way. And I'd like to thank Shailaja for being here with me and really and truly inspiring our people, inspiring the people in our country, and especially inspiring women who are at home.
Thank you so much.
And inspiring women around the country that if she can do it, she can come out of all that she has gone through. You can do it too. So thank you so much, Shailaja, from the bottom of my heart. And I'm really grateful to you for coming out in the open and sharing your story. And thank you so much. And thank you all for being part of this channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Thank you and bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.